There is a place that you go no matter what you believe, while all those who love you take time to grieve. The sweet smell of hay and the greenest of grass, gentle soft muzzles, a place time doesn't pass. Your loss will be felt, but we'll take comfort and know the day that you left we knew where you'd go. Reunited with loved ones, no more to depend, reins in one hand, your ride never ends. While we all mourn, while we've lost someone great, we know that so many wait for you at the gate. Thank you, Your Majesty, for all that you've done. Gather up your reins now, it's your time to ride on.